Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two-step equations worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on solving two-step equations. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have a video on this very topic. If you go to the last slide and you click on the available link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do the topic. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like. After that, I'll move on to the next slide, which gives us the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, which gives us the answers. And here they are. And you can check how you went. By all means, you can pause this slide for as long as you like, or you can go back to the next one whenever you want. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.